Hi students, welcome to my video tutorial series of design and analysis of algorithm. Today I am discussing about a matrix multiplication technique, which one is much more faster than traditional matrix multiplication technique, and the name of the technique is Stresson's matrix chain multiplication. So in traditional matrix multiplication, we are multiplying two matrix, and as you know, the criteria of multiplication is this: the on first row number of columns should be equal to the second matrix number of row. Okay, so once the row number of row of one matrix should be equal to the number of column of another matrix. So suppose two matrix we want to multiply and size of the matrix is n cross n. Suppose an example, a into b is equal to c. So number of row of a and number of column of b should be equal, and if the size of a is m cross n and size of b should be m cross any other value x, suppose, and size of x c will be n cross x. Now see, if you represent that the 2 cross, assume that 2 cross 2 matrix, so there are the value c11, c12, c21, c22 and c11, and you want to multiply a11, a12, a21, a22, b11, b12, b21, b22. So these two matrix, and c11, that is the value of c11 will be a11 into b11 plus a12 into b21. So a11, b11 and c11 are nothing but some value, that is not matrix. Now c12 is equal to a11 b12 plus a12 b22. c21 is equal to a21 into b11 plus a22 into b21, and c22 is equal to a21 into b12 plus c22 plus into b22. So that is 2 cross 2 matrix, and whenever, and the multiplication can be accomplished in 8 multiplication, that is 2 to the power log 8 base 2, that is 2 to the power 3. Now that is the algorithm for that, and if you find the number of comparisons, so there are required 3 loop, one for m, another one for n, another for m, another third for x. So 3 loops you require. So for that, number of comparison should be n to the power 3, n power 3. So order of complexity will be n cube. Now in case of Stresson's chain multiplication, that shows that 2 cross 2 matrix multiplication can be accomplished in 7 multiplication and 18 addition. So if you follow that, and so suppose 4 cross 4 matrix is there, so 4 cross 4 matrix is nothing but 4 2 cross 2 matrix. Assume 4 cross 4 matrix, we can say that is 4 2 cross 2 matrix, we can say. So here if you represent that, so there will be 7 multiplication and 18 addition or subtraction. So 2 to the power log 7 base 2, so 2 to the power 2.807. This can be reduced by using divide conquer approach. So divide conquer, as you know, it is the general algorithm design paradigm, and divide is that input set S is to 2 or more disjoint subset. You have to divide the whole data set into 2 or more subset, and recurrence is that solve that problem, sub problem recursively. and conquer, you have to combine those things into your solution. The best case or the recursion or subproblem of const- constant size analysis can be done using recursive equation. So if you use the divide conquer method or matrix multiplication, so so a and b are the matrix and that is the result as I discussed previously, and divide the matrix into sub matrices a0. So here a0, a1, a2, a3 and b0, b1, b2, b3 is nothing but a matrix. Okay, not a data, but previously those were data. Okay, previously whenever we are writing that, just a minute. So a b was the data, but here it is not data, it is the matrix. So whenever we are multiplying matrix, so matrix is associated with data, so we can, so here it is a0, b0, a1, b1 all are matrix. So whenever you are so if it is 4 cross 4 matrix, then a0 you to be 2 cross 2 matrix. So use this block matrix multiply equation and recursively multiply submatrices. Okay, divide conquer strategy. So a cross a b is equal to r. So a0 b0 is equal to a0 into b0 and terminate recursive with simple base case. So here are the formula we have to use for the station multiplication, and P1 is equal to A11 into, as I saw, you can check that, and there are as I told 7 multiplication and 18 addition and subtraction operations are there. Okay, thank you very much for the watching.